What's up, YouTubers? Kumusta kayo mga kabaltek? I just got my new mini fridge because the other one just broke down, and this is really an essential for me. Alright, without further ado, let's do the unboxing and a quick review of this MainStays mini fridge. So yun nga mga kabaltek, bumigay na yung dating ginagamit kong mini fridge kaya kumuha na ako ng bago dahil kailangan ko talaga. So, this is a two-door mini fridge freezer and has a 3.2 cubic feet space, 33.3 in height, and 18.5 in width, with a nice stainless steel look, which is so cool. And to me, it's a perfect size if you live in a small apartment, in dorms, and for your bedroom, of course. Kaya sa akin, saktong-sakto lang ang size ito, mga kabaltek. Ang cute pa, di ba? Oh, by the way, I got this from Walmart, one of my favorite stores. Kaya, Walmart, bekene man. So, what do we have here? Yeah, we have the manual, of course, an ice tray, and a plastic shovel. Wow, look at the freezer. I like it. Ganda ng freezer, mga kabaltik. Look, it has a separate freezer compartment too. Now let's take a closer look. Tingnan natin ang malapitan, mga kabaltik, para mas okay sa alright. Yeah, look at this. Nice. Oops. Smooth every time you close the door. And whenever you open it, very smooth. And look at this. It has a glass shelves. And down there you could store your veggies and fruits. And over here you could put your sodas or any other beverages in can. And on this part, 2-liter bottle will fit in there. And this has an energy saver feature too. Very nice. Matipid-tipid pa sa kuryente. I really love the size of the freezer of this mini fridge. Gustong gusto ko talaga yung laki ng freezer nito. Plus the side compartment of this freezer. Wow. And there's an interior light. Love it. But the hole right here, I'm not sure what is that for. Di ko alam ba't may butas pa dun. Plus, the hinge on both doors are interchangeable. So, all up to you how you want it done. Galing no? Pwede mong ilipat-lipat yung bisagra niya. So, this is the back part of this mini fridge. Ito yung likuran niya. The cord. It's in here. Ang cordon. And this plastic basin here, I'm just guessing that this one has something to do with the hole from the inside. Tingin ko yung butas kanina sa loob mukhang konektado dito sa basin na to. Tingin ko lang. So after a few hours and of the compressor oil and coolant settled, let's turn it on. Kaya paandarin na natin to, mga kabaltik. Medyo matagal naman na pahingan na Kaya okay na yung mga langis nito. Kalmado na. Alright, so tomorrow let's see this again one more time. Bukas ulit, mga kabaltik. Tingnan natin. So after 24 hours, let's check this mini fridge once more. I stuffed them with some frozen food, of course, and I still have enough room here on the side compartment. And I have more meals here, the Filipino thing, the rice, rotisserie chicken, 2 burritos, milk, and a few small bottles of water for now. And I just want to show you something more. May papakita lang ako sa inyo mga kabaltek. Tingnan to. Mga burrito parang embutido lang eh, no? Well, anyway, this morning I've noticed some buildups here. It's kind of frosty. Nagyayelo siya mga kabaltek. Pero kusa naman din siya natutunaw. Yeah, and it melts by itself. Check it out. And now the hole right there is making sense. It drains the melted ice for sure. So yun pala mga kabaltek, kaya may butas doon para tumagas yung natunaw na yelo. And it's partial auto defrosting. Cool. So after a few months, maybe 6 months, I'll just get to update you regarding the performance of this mini fridge. Let's see what happens. So balitaan ko na lang kayo sa susunod mga kabaltek kung gaano katibay ito.